In this video, I will show you how to pause your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, click on the Plan section to open your subscription details. On this page, you will see all your current plan information. In most cases, you will find options like Pause and Build or Deactivate Store, depending on your account type. To pause your store, you would normally click on Pause and Build and then follow the on-screen steps to confirm your decision. However, in some cases, this option may not appear. For example, if you are on a free trial, the pause option will not be available yet, and you may only see limited plan controls. That is why I am currently on a free trial, so I cannot show the pause option in my account. Once you are on a paid Shopify plan, this option will appear at the bottom of the plan page. After selecting the pause option and confirming it, your store will stop taking orders, but you will still be able to access and edit it. That's how you can pause your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel